Hurry up! Send for Miss Gila! Is the test object alive?
Test object? Are they talking about me?
Security! Get here and control the test object right now!
Security? Didn't I choose a normal start? I feel 100% pain.
The test object has been controlled! Lock him up! The crisis is over!
What the hell is going on here? Is my holographic game console broken again? Never mind, I can delete it and start again. There's no option for quitting! NPC? Version 1.0? The server hasn't gone online? All these happened more than a decade ago. Am I in the world of the galaxy now? Is he the test object who survived? My name is Gila. I'm the manager here. I'll kill you if you try to escape again. Gila the Crimson Snake! She's the boss in the 1.0 version who forced many beginners to quit the game. People used to call her Miss Rejection. Take him to have a blood test.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it! It's the Journal organization in the original version!
Web novel comics, never so easy.